Good morning, students. Welcome to GK class. Let's start with chapter 19, Organizations that Care. Part 1. Around the world, organizations are providing relief, fighting poverty, and helping to protect human rights. Can you name these organizations? A. Among the world's largest human rights movements, its iconic logo of a candle wrapped in barbed wire was inspired by the ancient Chinese proverb, "It is better to light a candle than to curse the darkness." And answer is Amnesty International. B. Established in 1863, it is part of the largest humanitarian network in the world. It has won 3 Nobel Peace Prizes in 1917, 1944, and 1963. And answer is Red Cross. C. Set up in 1948, it is the world's oldest global environmental organization. It is known for its Red List of Threatened Species, a comprehensive inventory of the conservation status of species all over the world. And the answer is IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. D. Set up by a group of French doctors and journalists who had worked in the Nigerian Civil War 1967 to 1970. It is now one of the largest organizations providing emergency medical care to people affected by conflict and disasters. It was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1999. And answer is Medicines Sans Frontiers, MSF. E. An environmental organization noted for its aggressive campaigns and direct actions. It is known by its flagship vessel, Rainbow Warrior. And answer is Greenpeace. F. Started as a relief operation in 1972 in post-war Bangladesh. It is now among the largest development organizations tackling poverty and empowering the poor in Bangladesh and other countries, using tools like microfinance, education, and healthcare. And the answer is BRAC. G. One of the largest NGOs in India, it was set up in 1994 to provide preschool education to children in slums. It now works all over India. Its mission is every child in school and learning well. And the answer is Pratham. H. This Delhi-based NGO converts used clothes, household goods, and other urban discards into usable resources for the poor, besides running development projects in villages and slums. And this NGO is Gunj. I. This organization was formed at the end of World War II in 1945 as the Cooperative for American Remittance to Europe, which was changed to Cooperative for Assistance and Relief Everywhere in 1993. And the answer is CARE. Part 2. Tick the correct option. Number 1. BRAC was set up as the Bangladesh Rehabilitation Assistance Committee by, given options are Muhammad Yunus, Mujibur Rahman, Fazle Hassan, and the answer is Fazle Hassan Abed. Number 2. Which of these has a logo that originated from a panda named Kai Kai that had been transferred from Beijing Zoo to London Zoo in 1958? Given options are WWF, PETA, Greenpeace, and the given answer is WWF. 3. An international confederation of 17 organizations working in more than 90 countries to fight poverty. It was founded in Oxford 1942 by social activists and academics to raise funds for hungry children in war-torn Greece. Given options are YMCA, Oxfam, and UNICEF, and the answer is Oxfam. Number 4. In 1979, airline purser Ripon Kapoor, along with 6 friends, started an organization with ₹50. Though Ripon died in 1994, his organization works to help thousands of needy children. The organization is, given options are CRY, Dipalya Smile Foundation, and the answer is CRY. Number 5. Name the animal rights group which has a slogan, "Animals are not ours to eat, wear, experiment on, use for entertainment or abuse in any way." Given options are RSPCA, Royal Society for the Prevention of Cruelty, B. PETA, C. The Humane Society, and the answer is PETA. Number 6. Help Unite Generations Hug, a program in which young people volunteer their name time for the elderly, has been started by, given options are Goonj, Samman, Helpage India, and the answer is Helpage India. Number 7. During the Spanish Civil War 1937, Jean Langdon Davis met an orphaned boy whose father had left a note asking anyone who found the boy to take care of him. He was inspired to start Foster Parents Plan for Children in Spain to help children affected by the war. The organization is now known as, given options are Plan, Action Aid, Save the Children, and the answer is Plan.